everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to prick your finger with the lancet device for checking blood sugar. So make sure you follow the procedure properly in order to get it on the first try. So here you have the lancet and the lancing device. Now we need to prime this lancet device. So let's just first twist the cap off. Then you're going to take the lancet and slide it inside the device, just finding the grooves on it and just slide it in there. Just you're going to engage the needle, so I'm going to show you how it works. Just put it inside, just click in there. So yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so now you just have to twist this part off and the needle is engaged. And now you'll put the cap back on the device and make sure you don't press the button or else you have to reset it again. You can set the depth at which your finger is pricked, like 1 and 2 are for people who have really sensitive skin, thin skin. 3 to 4 is for people with kind of a rough skin, and 5 is for extremely thick skin. Before pricking your blood, make sure your hands are clean and dried. We'll just clean the finger with a little bit of alcohol to make sure there are no microbes. So middle finger or ring finger works best for this. Really massage your fingers in order to get the blood flow. So I have set this lancet device on 3 for me. And now just push it down firmly so that you get the blood there. Squeeze and then wipe that first blood drop off because that is usually diluted with the alcohol prep. Okay, and then squeeze again. Take your strip from the glucometer and just test the sugar. Follow the procedure and test the sugar. That's it.